This video will give you an honest opinion about the Skytech Gaming Azure 3 desktop PC, covering both its pros and cons so you can decide if it fits your needs. I have provided the link to this gaming desktop in the description below if you want to know how much it costs. Starting with the processor, the Ryzen 7 9700X is a solid choice with a base clock of 3.8 GHz and a turbo boost up to 5.5 GHz, which handles modern games and multitasking with ease. This CPU paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 graphics card delivers excellent 1080p gaming performance, capable of running most titles at ultra settings with smooth frame rates. Whether you're into fast-paced shooters or immersive RPGs, this rig handles it well. The 16GB of DDR5 RAM running at 6000 MHz ensures your system stays responsive during gaming or content creation tasks, and the 1TB NVMe SSD means lightning-fast load times and quick access to your files. One standout feature is the 360mm ARGB all-in-one liquid cooler, which keeps the CPU temperature low even under heavy load, preventing thermal throttling and maintaining consistent performance. Connectivity options are robust, with multiple USB ports including USB 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 Gen 1, plus HDMI and DisplayPort outputs for versatile display setups. The sleek tempered glass case with RGB lighting looks great on any desk, giving the build a modern, gamer-centric aesthetic. On the downside, the RTX 5060 is a mid-range GPU, so while it handles 1080p gaming well, it might struggle with very demanding games at higher resolutions like 1440p or 4K. Also, the brand of the graphics card may vary depending on stock, which could affect cooling and performance slightly. Some users might want more than 16 GB of RAM if they plan heavy multitasking or future-proofing. Overall, the Skytech Azure 3 is a well-balanced gaming desktop that combines powerful components with efficient cooling and a stylish design. It's ideal for gamers who want great performance at 1080p without breaking the bank. Whether gaming, streaming, or creating content, this PC delivers a solid experience with minimal compromises.